if it's your very first time here, go ahead, hit that button below. You know the drill, so that you are updated every time that I drop a new video. Today, I have a highly anticipated review for you guys. Today, I am going to be reviewing the new Aaliyah for MAC collection. I was not able to purchase everything in the collection, but I did get my hands on the palette as well as 2 lipsticks and a lip gloss. I got the Age Ain't Nothing palette. The packaging is super cute. It's very Aaliyah, got her signature on it, and it's like this reflective purple, very cute. And inside you get 9 very pretty shades that go perfectly with Aaliyah, if you ask me. I also was able to purchase More Than a Woman lipstick as well as Hot Like lipstick. Hot Like is like a red satin color, and More Than a Woman is more of a like burgundy purple satin lipstick. And I also was able to get the Brooklyn Born lip gloss as well. Also, the colors of the palettes do swatch very beautifully. They swatch great on my skin complexion as well as a darker skin complexion. And if y'all know who that is, that's my daughter Amira. That's my baby girl, and she's helping me with swatches today. I did create this look with the palette, with the lipstick as well. I did kind of want to mix like old school Aaliyah with like 2018 modern makeup trends. So that's what I did with this look. I feel like it is Aaliyah-ish, but it's also like more of something that you can wear now. I had to do something so y'all know, you know, what you get for your money and what you can actually do that is wearable now. So if you want to see how I got this look, go ahead and keep watching. I'll see y'all at the end. Okay guys, so the look that I wanted to create today was, you know, I wanted to keep it 90s. I wanted to keep it really Aaliyah, but I kind of wanted to incorporate it with, you know, like some of the stuff that we do today that's more popular in makeup. So that's what we're gonna do. The first color I'm gonna go into is this middle color, which is like a transition color. It's like a light brown, and I'm gonna put that into my crease. And I did already prime my eye with my Tarte Shape Tape, so this palette would be perfect if it had a mirror, but it doesn't. That would be really helpful right now, like especially since it's such a compact type of palette. That would be nice just to be able to hold it right here and, you know, do my thing, but it doesn't. A lot of things that might be wrong with this palette or with the collection, you kind of overlook because of the nostalgia that comes with it. So I ain't complaining too much. So the second color that I'm gonna go into is this brown, a darker brown color here, and I'm gonna put that into my crease. And I do want to concentrate this color more towards the outer part of my crease since we're creating kind of a smoky eye, and I am bringing it out a little bit. And then from there, I'm going to go into the darkest color that, well, it's kind of the darkest color. I'm going to go into this color right here in the corner, and I'm going to put that directly into my crease, like really close to it. And then with a flat brush, and this is the brush that comes with like the Anastasia palettes, I'm just going to brush that color up and out just to make sure it's blended out, giving us all kind of 90s vibes right now. Then from there, I'm going to take my wipe, and I am going to go ahead and wipe this right here. From there, I'm going to go ahead with the cut crease. I'm going to do a cut crease along about 3/4 of the eye with my Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and this is in deep. And then towards the edge of my cut crease, I'm just going to taper it off because I am going to blend that into the darker color. So from there, that's the first thing that I'm going to go into is that darker color, just to make sure that's blended. And along the way, make sure you're pulling that color out and up to make sure you're keeping it blended while you're working. So for my lid, I'm going to start off with like the silverish color that's on this palette. And I feel like that is like really like video Aaliyah. Is not like going to a award show, walking a red carpet Aaliyah. Is smoked out and silver and in your face. So I kind of want to blend that with more of a natural looking smoky eye. So that's what we're going to put on the lid right closer to the tear duct in the middle. Y'all, I keep putting this up like it has a mirror. Oh my god, I'm so used to that. That makes me sad. And I did spray my brush with some Fix Plus as well. And this color actually works really well without spraying the brush. Only if you're putting it directly over like some concealer or primer. I think it works out pretty well. And then I am going to taper this color out a little bit because now I'm going to blend it with this other color here, which is very pretty. It's a shimmer color, but it kind of has like purple undertones to it. Yeah, I'm gonna use that, and I'm gonna blend this silver color into that color. This palette definitely has some really pretty shimmer colors. Like, has silver, it has gold, it has this color that you can use in a lot of different types of looks, and I ain't mad at that. And then from there, I'm gonna go into the darkest shimmer shade that's in this palette, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of that on the edge, close to the crease, and then blend that in with a darker color. And this is just to give like a good transition from shimmer to matte. And I'm making sure that I'm going over those lines because I do want them to, you know, I want the colors to marry each other. I don't want them to be like straight line, here's a color, straight line, here's another color, because that's not cute. For liner today, I did not want to do like a black like gel liner, so I'm actually going to take my NYX Suede matte lip liner, and I'm going to line my eye right on the edge with this. And this is in the late 90s and like the early 2000s. Wasn't nobody having no real like dramatic black, dark black cat eyes. I don't ever remember seeing any pictures of Aaliyah with that type of eye. So I wanted to kind of stay true to my girl Aaliyah with this, just to keep it a little retro. And with the flat brush, I'm actually going to go into the deepest color of this palette, and I'm going to just smudge that over the liner because I want this to be like extremely like, you know, smudged out like a 90s liner. So from there, I'm going to put on my mascara, and I'm going to put on my lashes, and the lashes that I'm using today are the iikonn eyelashes, and this is in the style Trust Issues. These are long, but they're more like on the mellow side, you know. That's not me, but that's what we're going to do today to try to match the look. And I want to be able to see the makeup, so you don't want to cover that up with a big old lash. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to finish my face off camera. Okay guys, so I finished off my face. I also put on my little scarf. You know, when you did make a purchase of $75 or more, you do get this dope scarf. And the scarf does have like the Aaliyah MAC symbol on it. So like the front of this, it is on the scarf. But I was having some technical difficulties being able to have that right here and still have it tied and look cute. So it didn't work out, but it's super cute. Like, it completes the whole look. Also didn't put any makeup on my forehead because I didn't want to mess up the scarf. So yeah. So for my under eye, I am just gonna go ahead and smoke it out, and I'm gonna use some liner. So I'm gonna go into the darkest matte color in the palette, and I'm just gonna smoke that on the bottom lash line. I'm gonna do this kind of with a smudger brush. And then with my gel liner, and this is a Pretty Vulgar gel liner, I am gonna put this on my waterline and a little bit underneath my waterline, but only on the outer part. And then I'm gonna bring it in only on the waterline. So drama on the outside, nice and classy on the inside. And then from there, I'm going to, and then from there, I'm gonna put a little bit of mascara on my bottom lashes, and then we are done with the eye look. So now I do want to get into the lippies. I did purchase 3 of the lippies. Y'all know how I get my swatches on. We're gonna go ahead and do these swatches real quick, and then we'll see which one we're gonna choose. Go with More Than a Woman lipstick because I felt like this look was the one that was giving me the most like old school vibes, rapping and singing in the middle of the street type of a feel. So I was not crazy about Brooklyn Born lip gloss, only because I was not expecting it to have like a white frosty type of cast. I thought it was gonna be more clear. So I feel like if I would have put on like a brown lip liner and then put this over it, it kind of would have gave you kind of Aaliyah vibes, you know, back in the day. That would have been cool. That's the only thing that surprised me. It seems like the lipsticks also are more like a retro type of feel. They're not like matte like we be liking our lipsticks to be now. They're more like, got a little sheen to it. They're a little more satin, and you know, they go for what the theme is. They're perfect. I can see all these colors on the lid, and this is pretty much the finished look. I'm gonna give my honest opinion about this collection. I personally think that the color selection, the lipsticks, the lip gloss, the liner that came with the collection, I think it's all like, it's Aaliyah all day. So if you grew up in the 90s listening to Aaliyah and everything, and that's back when I actually wanted to be a singer, so I love me some Aaliyah. This collection is her. And I love the fact that they had her brother collaborate with MAC to, you know, get a more personal feel, you know, a more realistic view of what Aaliyah would wear. I love that. I will nitpick though, and don't shoot me. This is strictly because, you know, you guys watch reviews because you want to know, should I spend my coins on this? Outside of the fact that it is a nostalgic type of collection, makeup wise, only thing I would have to say negative is the palette. This palette is little, y'all. It's small. It's really small, and I was not expecting that. I didn't like that. I also don't like how the names are like listed on the back, and it's kind of hard to know which one is which. And then I don't like that it doesn't have a mirror. Those three things to me is like the worst of this collection, and that's not bad. That's just nitpicking because, you know, we want to get our money's worth. It is a $35 palette, and you know, but it's worth it if you are a huge Aaliyah fan. Then none of that actually really matters, but you know, I had to mention that. Overall, I'm here for it. One thing I did want to mention before I sign off is that, I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I did hit 1K. And I am so happy and so thankful that I have been able to reach this milestone within 6 months of starting my channel. I want to thank you guys so much because I could not have done it without you, without your support. I read every comment, I read every suggestion, I read every request that you guys leave me, and you don't know how much it means to me. So I'm not gonna get into it that much because on Thursday I will be posting a video strictly about my 1K giveaway, you know. So if you want some of these free goodies, I'm gonna need you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you do not miss the details of that giveaway. I will be going over everything that I'm giving away, as well as the rules of what you need to do to get that free stuff. So if you guys did like this review, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up, comment below if you want to, hit subscribe below if you have not yet, because you know the drill, and I will see y'all on my next upload on Thursday. Bye. And this color really surprised me actually when come on camera. Yeah, oh, I already got some makeup on my scarf. Because in the 90s, late 90s, early 100s line, as well as a little bit below my waterline, I am gonna, oh, thought I was gonna sneeze. But since this is a limited edition, alrighty, and we got it. Oh, silly girl.